In this video, I am going to show you how to assign tasks in Microsoft Planners. So on your planner right here, you can see your day, your task, as well as your plans. So in here, you can see on your day is all of the tasks that is due today. Now, in here on the My Tasks, you can see all the tasks that you have yet to complete, and on your plans, you can see in here all of the tasks available up to anyone for grabs. So, for example, onto this case, you can see in here several plans or cards that has remained vacant. So, what we can do is you can click onto this particular plan. It will open it. You can see in here these options for the progress, start date, and date repeat, notes, checklists, attachments, and the likes. So what we can do in this case, we can click onto this assign button right here in order to assign someone. You can just input right here their name, and if your result has subsided, you can click on them and assign them to this particular task. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.